Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Yeah, now I think we will just chat. Yeah, but the most important thing about this training is we have to be convinced first if AFC is the best. That's it. Because if we convince, then we will find a way how to do AFC business, how to tell our friends and family. Yeah. Only yesterday and now, I record already two very good testimonials. One about colon cancer. So a girl have a father that has colon cancer, and it is proven with the lab result. Before it's anaplastic, it means cancer, yeah. But only in I think 2 months, 3 months already changed to dysplastic. So the grade now becomes only cellular changes. Yeah, it means that this is very good. And second, we have here also someone who suffer from kidney failure, but become very good. So you have to be convinced about this product. This is the first. Yeah. And if you want to do the business, of course, you have to keep this in your cellular phone. Just now, I talked to Edwan. Yeah. Edwan is one of our leader here. And how do you prospect? He asked me like that. Yeah. Of course, I take out my cellular phone. Here I have a lot of testimonials. You know, so I put it in folder. So this illness, yeah. Because AFC have a very useful function. It varies, you know, from the milk produced from mother. If pregnant woman don't have milk, yeah, you can give Subarasi, and the milk produced will be very good. You know. Until autism, until cancer, until stroke, until diabetes, everything. Yeah. Some of them even like gallstones from gallbladder, yeah, and kidney stones, you know. So a lot of testimonials. This is what you should have, because if you show this to your prospect, it will be different. Yeah? If you only talk, maybe yes, maybe you lie or something like that. But if you have these videos, this photo, maybe this is from this. See, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moreover, if you give these testimonials related to the patient's illness, successful rate must be higher. So if you are serious in doing this business, you have to put this in your cellular phone and make folders. Yeah, so easy to look for. This is the step that often a lot of people not doing this. You know. But this is the most important. And if you are serious to do this business, yeah, you have to do this. Yeah. Just now, how if you convince people about the business? I said this is easy for me because now my income is so big. Yeah. So just let them see and they will change. You know. So that's easy. But how? What if you still just start? So you don't have large income. You can tell story about me, about Tang, about Kevin, yeah. Because in Malaysia, yeah, in Malaysia also we have, you know, someone who sits from the AFC. Yeah. Tang this year to Daniel, yeah. To Daniel mean a lot, you know, because Tang don't want to talk, I talk for Tang. So don't think that Malaysia earn nothing. Yeah. Malaysia also already someone who has a lot of income. This is from business side. So everyone can change their life. Yeah. I have friends that don't have money but want to change their life. Also can look for the sick people first, sell the product to them, and then use the business center for you. And you can start by using that. Indonesian a lot before don't have money at all, now can be a rich man. So basically, whatever you do, you start, and you should collect testimonials all in your cellular phone. Make it folder, yeah. Divide by 2. This is product side. This is business side. Business side you can collect, yeah. from Indonesian leaders a lot. Yeah? Only housewife earn this much, people who is bankrupt, taxi driver and things like that. Even security guy. Yeah. So you have to have this testimonial. This is very important because a lot of people don't want to do this. If you want to do EFC business, you have to be serious. I mean, if I told you so, then do it. Then it's here for you. But if I told you so and you don't do it, maybe you have to find your way, and must be that's more difficult. Yeah. Okay. Maybe here not everyone want to do the business. Maybe. But I'm not sure that all of you want. Maybe you just think you want the money, but don't want to really want the money. You just want the money come to you without effort, and that will never do. Yeah. So now, how do we start? How do we begin? Yeah? So according to me, in AFC, we have like stairs. Yeah. The stairs is like this. When you first join, you have to recruit someone. Yeah? So this is recruitment. You can start by chasing someone who's sick, because easier. That's why if my wife see a person walking like this, she's glad. This is easy prospect, in airport or everywhere, So you have also trained yourself to be able to start conversation with someone. Because if you just do this to your friend, maybe your friend limited. But if you can add your friend anytime, then it must be easier to do this business. So in order to be able to recruit, I start down here. In order to be able to recruit, you have to do a lot of things. But you have to learn how to handle objection, and you have to learn how to about the product, what's the pattern, how it works, things like that. But don't be stressed, because sometimes prospecting just as easy as, oh, this is good, try, just try, just like that, and then sometimes it's success. But of course, if you have solid knowledge, better for you. You don't have to be a doctor, because in Indonesia now we go online. A lot of people go online because this is faster and wider area you can approach and cheaper. And some of them learn the illness. Some of them talk just like a doctor, maybe even better than a doctor. I'm sure that if a doctor lazy, take them, maybe the knowledge different in some area. So you can learn anything. So if you already do this, easier for you to recruit. Of course, the first step easy. You just talk to your family, your close friend, neighbors. You don't have to, I want this president of Malaysia. Maybe it will be very difficult because you don't have the link there. But if you begin with friends, with families, then it will develop, and then at the time it will be big, and you will have downlines from the person that you never imagined you can approach. So after recruitment, you will have either patients that is healed or someone who interests for the money. Now you have to change. If you want to do the business, you have to change the customer for the products. Also, you have to change into the business side. The most easiest way is to tell them that you can consume the product free. Because for the patient who's ill, the main concern is to be healthy again, and it needs a lot of money. Because sometimes we say, okay, take this 3 sachet one day, this product 2 sachet one day. For us, easy to say, but for 5 boxes 1 month, and for 3 months, 6 months, this is a big sum of money. So we have to make them realize if they do the business, they can have the product for free, as if like that. So this is a good way to change customer into business. And for the person that we approach directly from business, maybe easier. But this person also have to learn about the products and everything. Yeah. Now, after the recruitment, you have to what is in English? You have to teach. Yeah, I use this word. You have to teach. It means that you have to teach one by one of your downlines. Yeah, just now I'm still down there, you know, and Kevin called me, hey, let's start. Yes. I'm talking already hours, yeah, to someone because I want this person to be able to get the whole scenario, to be motivated, to know what's the future for him, you know. Oh, this is 10 hours, I don't care, yeah. 3 hours, 5 hours, if necessary, 10 hours is okay for me. Because once he get every knowledge, he is being convinced and everything, he can work, he can develop, he can also multiply. Yeah, because here we know the process of duplication. So duplication means you duplicate from you who has a lot of knowledge and experience. You have to split to another person, and this is the basic. So, doctor, I don't know anything. I don't know anything, and I don't want to know anything. You know, but I want to be success in AFC. Forget it. It won't be able, yeah. Sabotage. Because if you don't want to learn, you don't want to study, it means that your body, if you duplicate, it will duplicate into nothing also. So this is the main thing. You have to try to study and learn and know. Yeah. Oh, can I be success without knowing anything? Sometimes. Because you have one good person and then your upline know, yeah. Oh, refer him to me, and then your upline teach here, yeah. This is the goodness of MLM. But it is better if everybody try to know everything and then teach, yeah. And then this is to organize, yeah. So once this is important for the leader that is big enough. You have to force yourself to make table talk routine. I mean routine maybe every Monday and Thursday. So every Monday and Thursday, the same place, the same time, you have to make your downlines go there, you know, and talk to them. So this is a routine that the new member also can bring someone there. Yeah. If how about the expenses? It's up to you. You can talk to your downline. If you just started, maybe everyone buy their own drink. But if you are big enough, maybe you buy drink for them. It's okay. Yeah. But this is the way you have to organize. And if you, doctor, I don't have money. My downline don't have money. How to do this? Yeah, how to do it? You can start with home meeting. Because home meeting is so powerful, and all of you have to start doing this. Home meeting means I do the talking, the training, and everything in my downline's house. This is important because why? The cost very minimum. Maybe I just bring cakes little bit, yeah, and the downlines give tea or something like that. Then it's done. And this is easier also, you know, because like now today you invite your friend here to come, maybe difficult. Yeah, they will say it's raining lah. It's I live far away or something like that. But if we say okay, we start in your house, yeah, and in your house, can you invite your neighbors? Maybe 5 of them, easy for him. Okay, 5 or 7 neighbors enough, and then the whole meeting can start. Yeah, so easier to invite. And then if you are big enough, you have to organize LOP, yeah. Table talk already. If table talk already a lot, because I experience also, yeah, from 1 2 table and then become 5 table. Now more difficult because I have to go here and then go here, and then go here, repeated the same story, and also different level of downlines, yeah. Now begin to chaos. If that thing happen and you are too busy, so make a LOP, mini LOP, maybe 30%, 40%, and at the same time, same place every week. Yeah, so this make downline easier because the new downline will know, oh, every Thursday, say that in building A, 5 p.m. they will conduct speak, yeah, like that. Or you can do it through Zoom also, because Zoom now is here at home. People can see, can interact also, but this has to be organized, yeah. And then this is the roadshow. Roadshow means you go, before you just do in Kuala Lumpur. Now you go around Kuala Lumpur, you know. And after you are bigger, you go to Penang, to JB, to Sabah, Sarawak, yeah. So you have to do roadshow because this is like a tree. If a tree have roots, wherever the roots will go, you follow. It is easier, you know. Then if you put the tree in the pot and you want the tree become big, very difficult because like limited place. Your downline maybe don't have money and don't have knowledge and don't have courage to go abroad. So if you place yourself as a big leader, you can go there and then tell all of your downlines, yeah, this is my schedule. On the 1st of September, I will be here. 3rd of September, I will be here. 5th of September, I will be here. And this is the time and the place. By doing that, downline must be much easier because sometimes you work from KL, very difficult. But when you go to JB, oh, my family all in JB because I originated from JB, so easier for them. Yeah, you have to be able to organize and roadshow, and then. Yeah, after here, you just supervise, yeah. Supervise. You know, this seems like easy job, but actually, if you do it correctly, it takes time, you know, and a lot of difficulties also. So you have to do it. Really seriously. Yeah, some people just say, okay, you want to do activities, okay. What do you want? What do you? Hey, I can prospect. I can do recruitment. Okay. How many person do you want to recruit? And he say, okay, a lot, as much as possible. That is not the answer. Yeah. But we have to be specific, break down. Every day, you want to prospect how many person? Say that, okay, I will prospect 5 person every day. Then you have to commit. Every day you have to find that 5 person. If you still not doing 5 presentation, then something wrong with you. Yeah, a lot of my downline do this. So they give me like, okay, I promise you I will do study AFC 2 hours one day. And then 4 hours for working. And I ask, okay, if you want me to monitor, then you give me the time. So this tomorrow morning, what time you do the learning until what time, and what's the learning? You have to be able to teach me specifically. Oh, I watch video about this. I learn this, like that every day. And then 4 hours. Who do you prospect? Make photos and make comments, how the result, what's the difficulty, and things like that. If you do this every day, of course, in only a month, you will be so clever, so diligent, and you will have a lot of recruits under you. So then you have the group. Because if you don't have the group, then you cannot do anything here. Yeah. Oh, I'm very motivated. But you do nothing and you are alone. Cannot. This business, you have to form a group first. And the best way is to do it fast. Yeah? Because momentum also plays important role. Now it's still new in Malaysia. Yeah? We just do grand opening last month. Yeah, and 2 months. Yeah, And this is still very new. So this is time for you to work very hard now. Because if you relax, you will not be able to have the good start. Yeah. So you know the stars like this. Remember, there is no shortcut. So everyone wants a shortcut. Yeah? Everyone wants, oh, how to be fast? If necessary, not to work. Yeah? If necessary, I will sell under the price. This is very dangerous. Because once the company know, they will suspend your account and finish. Because company is so strict about this. Yeah? Or take another leaders. Hey, this is Kevin leader, you know. Kevin don't know. Hey, work with me. This is very dangerous also. Because the company is so strict about this. So, this is the only way you can. And, you know, a lot of us maybe think that, oh, I don't think I can, doctor. Yeah. So, lack of confidence. I tell you 2 stories about this. One story is about they do research. So like I have maybe 100 children like this. I divide into 2, you know. And for the 50 children, I give a note to the teacher. This is a very special children. They are very clever. Yeah, and they are dedicated and things like that. I talk good about these 50 children. Actually, I already measured all the same IQ, all the same ability, because this is mixed for the purpose of the research. But when I tell the teacher about that, the teacher pays more attention, the teacher give more chance, and so the kids develop more. After 1 year, they do evaluation again. This group more success, and the IQ also higher. Yeah. So remember, you have to motivate yourself. Because why? Because people out there don't want to motivate you. Hey, you are so clever. You are so diligent. People they're not saying that. Yeah. Maybe say, hey, you cannot do anything. You want to be rich? It's a dream. Don't dream, because we don't have money. Our ancestors don't have money. Then we will die without money. Maybe we will say that. So you have to motivate yourself and believe in it. And the second research, they also divide children into groups. This is the painting class. So they put there the story about big painters, you know, like Salvador Dali, like Van Gogh, and everyone, you know. But in this class, the teacher say, "Hey, watch carefully. Yeah, which one do you love? Do you like most?" And then imagine that yourself is the painter when you paint. So this group repeatedly, the teacher saying that. So every children will see very eager, and they say, "Oh, I love this painting. I want to be like him. This is Rembrandt. I want to be like him." While this group, teacher say nothing but do the same procedures, giving the paintings and etc. And then after a while, the teacher asks them to draw. This one, with the advice to each children, has to mimic, have to feel that you are the painter. And at the end, this group produced much more good painting than this group. So this is the same. Now, all of us adapt already. So no one motivate us. Yeah. Before, if I have not studied, then my mother will do this, yeah, and will maybe whip me, you know, when I was small. But when I am an adult, no one do it because no one there. Yeah. So big problem, because some people very lazy. When he was small, he was very lazy. Even an adult also very lazy. So not developed. That's why we have to force ourselves also to work and self-motivated. Because if you refuse here, in this business, if you refuse to be the tip of the spear, I imagine our organization like a spear. So the tip of the spear, yeah, you must be in front. You must put yourself, I'm the first. I'm the biggest here. I'm the one who has to do this work. I'm the one who has to organize my groups. If you put always like this, your group will develop more. Then if you just okay, whatever we'll do lah. Ki sera they say. Whatever happen. This is difficult. So now today we have a lot of knowledge. If you open internet, you can find knowledge everywhere, included the MLM knowledge, included the motivation and everything. You just click and then you can find it. The problem is we are not trying to find it and we don't care about this and not applying in our life. This is the problem. About AFC also, we have a lot testimonial also. I think Kevin Tang already make messenger group that has all the testimonial. But a lot of people lazy, don't want to grab the testimony, don't want to put in the cellular phone and things like that. And if prospecting not using that testimonial, of course difficult, yeah. And then you have to learn also. If people say, because usually people refuse you with several reasons, yeah, like, oh, this is so expensive. Then you have to be able, yeah. If I'm not ready, my customer say, oh, this is expensive, and then I say, yes, this is expensive. To me also, this is expensive. Then the prospecting done, yeah. But if I can say that I have a lot of ways to counter this. If you learn how to counter this, you just pick one that is suitable for the prospect, and this will end the discussion, you know. So you have to learn this and there, here and there, yes. But we can do it together, you know. So like for the expensive, yeah. Who's new here? 3 months, under 3 months here. Yeah. Okay. So if someone say this product expensive, how you counter it? Please give the mic. Oh, you come here. Accompany me here. Oh, you come from there. Okay. Please give the mic. Yeah. You look shy like me. Give the mic. Yeah, the mic.
I don't need the mic.
Oh, do that. Yeah.
I would maybe say, I would share the testimonial that people from other people.
Maybe the person back there cannot hear you. It's okay. It's okay. If I ask you to sing, you may be shy. But, okay, so you will.
I would share the testimonial that I've heard from other people.
Yeah. And then what you say? You will share all the testimonials, and then.
For me, I will share the website that has all the testimonials on cancer, on
yeah.
etc.
And what's the relation with the high price? Expensive.
Because it's good quality. But if you compare to stem cell originally, it's much more expensive, 50,000 and above. It's so affordable compared to that. And because of all the testimonials, it says that it's worthwhile.
Okay. Thank you, sir. This is very good answer. Well, 3 months you also covered already. So is it?
You want me to translate it?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. 刚才这位先生就讲啊，他说如果要找人，他怎么去跟人家讲？他说我会把其他人的网站或者是公司的网站传给这个人，让他们看了那个见证之后，他们就知道了。然后如果他说这个产品为什么这样贵，有没有这个问题的？
有。
啊，为什么这样贵？这个先生就说，因为好咯，这么简单。对啊，他说。
So he said that he will share all the testimonials and then tell the customer, you know, this is cheap. Why? Because the product so good. Can heal this, heal this. If you use, say that stem cell therapy, and then you will spend a lot more money than this one. That's why this cheap. So comparing to the other, yeah. This is a good answer. Thank you. Okay, who has another way? If someone say expensive, I usually also say like this. if you're looking for the cure, yeah, this is the best product. And of course expensive because it's being imported from Japan with special quality also, yeah. Because if you buy the cheap vitamin, have you ever see the vitamins heal the case like this? Like that, you know. So people will understand, yeah. And we have a lot of way to say this is cheap, and also we can do the business, so we get the product for free. And if the product free, of course, it is cheap. Yeah. Like me now, I consume a lot, also free. Yeah, just do the business. Okay. So, any of you here under 3 months that prospect someone and being rejected, and have something that very difficult to win the conversation because being rejected. I know some of you smile a lot. You must have a lot of rejection. Okay? No one rejected. Good. Next month the sales will grow very, very much. Yeah. Okay. So it is normal being rejected. Yeah. For some people, if someone reject you, you feel very painful here. Yeah. It's like your girlfriend reject you or your boyfriend. This is not like this, not the same. Yeah, because if I offer you all, hey, I know the very good fried prawn here. Who wants the fried prawn? Who wants the fried prawn? Free? I will treat you. No one? See, no one? Oh, reject me. Sometimes like that. Why? Because maybe they shy to raise their hand. Yeah. I really want to buy you prawn, but you reject. It's okay. Fine for me. You see, you can get it. Yeah. Sometimes people also, I don't want to buy because I'm full now. And the other one, why reject it? Because I'm allergic to prawn. So a lot of reason. Also, people reject you for some cause. You don't have to put it deep in your heart. You know. It's just usual daily rejection. Yeah. And it is good if you can make them taste the product. So I found one lady that do online approach AFC, yeah. And this lady produce a lot, you know. I mean, sell very, very much product. So she can win the tickets like to abroad, you know, to if we go the trip, the tour free by AFC, we have to qualify with 20 diamonds, 8 diamonds, sponsor directly. She can win 10, 20, 30 of tickets every time in the period. So I asked her, why according to you, you are different with the others? Because the others very difficult. Sometimes we go online already, not even a single selling, you know. Sometimes go online, yeah, the selling but not much. Sometimes it's a lot but not as much as what she sell. So I asked to her, what according to you make you different from the others? So she said like this, for me, if a person contact me because she make content and sometimes live talk, and people will contact her. If someone contact me, it's must that they have to buy from me. How? I said, because if I sell 2 boxes and they don't have money, then I say, okay, how much money do you have? Do you have for 1 box? Okay, I will open the box and put half of the Subarasi, half of Subusi for you, like that. Oh, I don't have for 1 box. I have only for 1/4. Okay, I will give 1/4. I only have this little bit of money. How much that? Okay, 4 sachet. Okay, I will give 4 sachet. Because sometimes the product, even the first sachet, can show result. People will feel, oh, there is changing, you know. And then they have money. Because they just not convinced. This is the problem. So Effie Carolina, my friend, say that everyone who contact me, I will make sure that he buys something for me. I don't care 3 sachet, 4 sachet, one box, 2 boxes, or 1 diamond, but they have to buy from me. So this makes her big. Because like I said, sometimes take 1, 2, oh, I can sleep well. Only that thing can change the perspective and suddenly have money. Yeah, sometimes if God help you, oh, I cannot pee because kidney failure. And then you give 1 sachet, 2 sachet, and then, this is the first time I can pee 2 times a day, you know. And then buy a lot of diamond from you. Because we have good products. This is our advantage comparing to the other MLM. So you who think that you will do this MLM and then another MLM again and then another again, just forget it. Yeah. Because this is the best, and you cannot find it every day in MLM world. Maybe 5 years, 10 years, only one like this. So this is your moment because this is still new. If we have good product like this, of course, easy to sell. Yeah, you give to cancer patient and then the cancer better. You give to kidney failure patient better. Autoimmune better. All of illness better. So if you cannot sell, who's the stupid one? So this is only logic. Yeah. That's why we have to learn and make this our opportunity because we can earn quickly. Okay, any questions? No questions? Ada yang hanya bisa bahasa Melayu? Saya juga bisa bahasa Melayu. Yeah.
Can I ask you personally?
Yeah.
You as a doctor, you are a doctor in the medical line. Huh?
Yeah.
How did you get into it?
Okay.
What's your history about getting to MLM? Because you seem like a quite good MLM.
Yeah.
So how do you transfer from?
Transfer, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I am a doctor. How I know MLM? Because in the year 2000, at that time I'm a very successful doctor. I'm still young, 30 years, yeah, not 30 years maybe, but very successful. Because why? Because I work for hotels, so I handle only foreigners. Foreigners have insurance, so they don't care about you charging them whatever. You know? So like for flu, if a patient consult me, I will charge $75. And then the next day, I will charge again 35. And then if a serious illness like maybe bump the head and then wound here, I will do stitches, $500. And then the next day, 350 there. Of course, I'm rich because the patients a lot. I work for 3 big hotels. Sometimes, yeah, I feel very tired because whole day I take care of the patients. Of course, special facility. I can eat everywhere in the hotel, luxurious hotel. I can stay overnight there, you know, and things like that. And a lot of money. At that time, one of my friends offered me MLM. She's a doctor also, but stay in Lombok Island. You know, year 2000 there is riot in Lombok, riots and people want to kill them, destroy the practice room, destroy the house. They want to build a hospital, they destroy it also. So they have to run away from them and then go to Bali. And in Bali we met. At that time I'm in the top position, yeah. And at that time I also in Catholic church they have clinics, and I'm the supervisor for Bali, Lombok, Sumba, Sumbawa, to the east, you know. Yeah, I'm young and successful. And then this friend offered me MLM. Of course, I asked, why should I do it? You know, because 5% here, 5% here, $25. I said, so difficult. 5% here, 5% here. I just stay at home. They call me, doctor, please come, please. Because this is patient, you know. This patient, and I have hundreds of US. and I just do little bit thing. Yeah. So at that time, my friend said, because MLM is 1 become 2, 2 become 4, 4 become 8. One day it will be 1,000 become 2,000, 2,000 become 4,000. This binary, very powerful. If you do your work as a doctor, then you will bring your suitcase all the time. At that time, I got very angry, you know. I said, you, who is bankrupt, yeah, can tell this word to me. But then, I tried, but I tried the wrong way at that time, you know. I prospect my brother prospect his brother-in-law, sister-in-law, all say yes. 7 person. The 8th person say no. The 7th say, oh, sorry, because she's not in, I postpone. And then the 6th, I postpone all until I said, oh, I also postpone. Because this is 7 person. This is experience that is very bad for me because I put my faith in them. You know. Why? Because 1 year after, I find this friend of mine. The income is 1 billion rupiah 1 month. Yeah. So I said, oh, is it really? I check all. I see the bank account and everything, you know, because I'm not easy to convince. And then I said, oh yes. If this big money, then I will work, whatever it is, you know, because I want to be rich. So I begin my first career in MLM. Is this easy? No. Why? Because I'm doctor. I also clever. The most clever person will be the most stubborn. Yeah. If stupid person can find 1,000 reasons, I can find 5,000 reasons. So difficult for me, but I want the money. So I force myself so hard that sometimes if I want to work, I feel like nauseated, but I still force because I want the money. That is me. So in 6 months, yeah, I have to change my way because I think this is the logic. But after I consult my uplines, oh, there is another logic that is also logic. You know, so MLM logic different with daily logic, yeah? But all logic. So you have to consult your uplines often. If you hesitate, call your upline, ask. If you don't know about anything, call your upline, ask. This is very important. And upline, remember to contact your leaders all the time. Yeah, sometimes you have nothing to do, you just contact your leader, say hello. Hey, how's your condition? How's the development? Things like that. This is process so important. And then I consult my upline. I know that I'm wrong because before my upline teach me, you have to go to training like this, you know, and do presentation like this. You know. The training always the same. So one time I go, I know everything about the training. Yeah, the presentation. One time I saw I can do presentation better than her. Because I do presentation and I calculate the percentage of the people who join. So I said, why should I join your activity? That's why I never joined. That's why my group not developed, according to her. And then she explained, because you're not coming to the event like this, your downlines also don't want to come. Yeah, because this is duplication. You cannot say, hey, all of you have to come, yeah, to the training, but I'm not coming. Maybe you will come once. Twice, maybe some of you still will come. But the third time, you say, bullshit. Yeah. So they say it's important, but he's not coming, so this is not important. Yeah. So the way I did it, make my downlines not develop. Because my upline asked one question. Okay, now, name, I need names, your downline. Who is as clever as you? Because I feel myself very clever. I don't think there is someone there who's clever enough, you know. I said, no one. That's why. Because I compete with a lady that is not clever, but she's successful. So my upline said, she attend every meetings, every trainings, and she brings a lot of her downlines with her. So maybe she's not as smart, but she can bring the downlines. Maybe the downlines smarter. So before she mastered the things, maybe the downlines already mastered it, you know? And the downlines keep duplicating. That's why she worked as a team, but you work alone. At the time I think, oh yeah, it's logic. So I changed my mindset, and then from that time on, I'm successful. By the way, for my first MLM, I become like now I am, like Busido in this AFC in 6 months. Yeah, because I work so hard, and I force myself so hard. So afterward, next MLM is very, very easy. So because the company not good, this is the problem with other MLM. The company not good, I have to change to another company. Only in 3 weeks, I become like Busido again, you know. Easier for me. And then years, I never do MLM again. Why? Because I think this is not make sense. You know. This is a lot of badness, not a goodness. So I stopped years. And then years 2006, I'm bankrupt. Bank want to take my house. I have no way out. I have to do MLM again. And in 3 months only, I become like Busido again. And my house safe and everything. But then the company only 1 year also run away. And then I swear I will never, I will never do MLM again. I can generate money using another way, according to me like that. So this AFC is because in my subconscious, my heart, I still thinking if I can find why there is no MLM that is good. Yeah, I mean the owner intention good, you know, and then the product good, and then the bonus good. If I found this, then I can retire very, very happy. Still, my subconscious like this. But of course, if someone come, yeah, offer me MLM, I will kick the butt, you know. So AFC is like from God for me, because I saw my friend's photo young, become very young, literally. Yeah, like just now like Kevin become young a lot. If you know Kevin 2 years ago, you will cry. Because eyes puffy, all puffy, no hair, you know, very little. Yeah, I think some of you, who knows Kevin 2 years before? Oh, you don't know Kevin 2 years ago? Dr. Mat, yeah. He's so old. This is the person. Now so young, younger and younger. So my friend become like that. So I asked what happened. He said I consume this, and when I play, oh this is MLM. I want to close it, you know, because I hate MLM already. But down there they offer the testimonials. When I open the testimonials, wow, this is so good. But two possibility, right? This is all true, all fake, yeah. Fake, yeah. So I'm logic. But then I analyze the video, it seems that this is true. So I give to father, to mother, to relatives, to patients, to friends, and forcing friend's father to take, you know, because I'm convinced. And then in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, magic happened. A lot of illness that according to me medically cannot be healed. This changed my mindset. I think, wow, this can help me to help a lot of people, to help in my practice. Because I'm doing practice also to make people heal. If something can help me, of course, better. You know, so I begin to give it to patients intensively. And then, wow, I got 2 tickets to Japan in 2 months. And then, oh, a lot of money. Hey, this is good. I began to seriously doing this business here. And yeah, 1 year, my debt all paid, you know. My financial condition become good. 2nd year, even better, you know. Now the 6th year is very good. You know. 7th year must be better. So that's why, yeah, this is my experience. Maybe something to you if you really want to change your life. Maybe nothing to you. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, maybe from me, this, yeah, and Just now someone asked me, hey, Dr. how you can calculate the income, you know? Because for me, this you can get, this is important. I said, oh, I'm not that clever. But the good thing in MLM is you don't have to be clever, but you can have very, very clever downlines. So now, Tang will explain everything to you.